Hi, I'm Ace, your tutor at UScore Academy. Let's learn squaring numbers ending in 5 together, step by step. Any number ending in 5 has a squaring shortcut that feels like magic. Take 35. Its tens digit is 3. Multiply that by the next number up. 3 times 4 is 12. Then just write 25 right after it. 12, 25, 1,225. Here's why it's so easy to remember. The ending is always 25, never 05 or 15. All the work is in that first part, the tens digit times the very next number. Do that piece, slap 25 on the end, and you're done. Let's try 65 squared. The tens digit is 6. 6 times the next number, 7, is 42. Now write 25 after it. 42, 25, 4,225. See how quick that was? Now you do this one. 95 squared. Tens digit is 9. 9 times the next number, 10, is 90. Write 25 after it. 90, 25, 9,025. You just squared a big number in your head. So here's the whole trick. Multiply the tens digit by 1 more than itself, then stick 25 on the end. Practice until it flows in one breath. See 85, think 8 times 9 is 72, say 7,225. Speed comes from making that first step automatic. Great work! Keep practicing with Ace at UScoreAcademy.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice.